What's up, guys? Welcome back for another episode on the 350Z drift car. The first order of business that we're going to be doing today is we're going to show you what we didn't film, which I took the bumper off this car and put it on this car. It's a little off, whatever, it's not a big deal. This car is going to get painted, but I finally wanted to get a full bumper for this car. I was just over the whole cut look. So yeah, once this all gets painted, it's gonna look very, very nice. But to now ruin this car, we went ahead and we put the cut bumper on here. It looks hilarious in my opinion, but YOLO. So what we're gonna do today is something that we've been talking about in the other clips that you may have seen. We're gonna get rid of this stock exhaust. It's for sale, hit me up. And we're gonna go ahead and put that 3-inch bazooka looking pipe over here. It's actually high quality pipe, man. It's mandrel bent, so it's actually a decent custom exhaust, but it's just gonna sound crazy. And more importantly, I don't know how it's gonna fit under the car because this was for a G35, and I cut off the muffler, but I guess we'll see how it fits. I'm gonna try to get this hanger in and see, you know, where this sits. So it would be like this essentially. I don't know, man. If you think about it, mounted like that, it might be like right up under the fucking tow bucket maybe. I don't know, but yeah, taking this exhaust off is gonna suck just because it looks rusty. And yeah, so moving on, we're gonna go ahead and do that, and we're gonna record a before and after clip right now. All right, guys, so I got the stock exhaust off. I wasn't gonna bore you with the taking off of that. 2 bolts for the Y pipe connection. You could take those off, but mine weren't coming off, so I just took it off as one. Yeah, I really don't know if this is even gonna work, because if you look at where the hanger is and where it is over there, and as to where it is over here and where that hanger is, don't look good. But send it. We're gonna try to, we got a little tab here and run a couple zip ties through there, figure something out. Custom work, not a big deal. But yeah, we're gonna send it. I'm gonna reuse this stock 2003 OEM exhaust gasket, and I am just gonna douse it in that copper whatever gasket sealer caca, and we're gonna put that on. Hopefully it don't leak. But yep, la loose, straight pipe, ruining 1 VQ at a time. All right, guys, so as I predicted, that hanger does not line up, but where the cut is actually straight, because when you pretty much get it to a decent point, it's not that bad in a position. So we're gonna show you how to make a ghetto exhaust hanger out of some, I guess, metal strips. Yeah, we're gonna get it on the car, not a problem. All right, guys, check out this ghetto rigged exhaust hanger. I pretty much just wrapped it over I guess this cross beam here. 1 nut and bolt through and through, 1 nut and bolt through and through, and I mean, it's pretty sturdy, I guess, for what I need it for. Shit sounds kind of crazy.
Definitely sounded like it was missing.
I don't know what it was. I'm gonna check.
Did you hear that? It sounded like it was like get it big.
No, but it's got pops.
Is it tuned?
No.
RS Entropy? What is he doing?
All right, guys, well, that's gonna conclude this video, the 350Z drift car exhaust install. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. I think it's hilarious. It's free, it was cheap, so whatever. We got a little bit more sound for $0. I'm okay with that. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think. And again, thank you guys for watching. If you like the videos, comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. We appreciate all that you guys do for us, man. Peace.